In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce the file size in Canva. Whether you're sharing designs by email, posting them online, or meeting an upload limit, getting your file smaller without ruining the look is key. I'll walk you through the exact settings for PDFs, videos, JPGs, and PNGs so you can pick the best balance of quality and size every time. Start by opening your project in Canva. In the top right corner, click Share, then choose Download. This panel controls everything we need. The options you see will change based on the file type you select, so pick the format you're exporting and then adjust the settings I'm about to cover. If you're exporting a PDF, switch the file type to PDF Standard. This version is designed for smaller files compared to print-ready PDFs. Then turn on Compress PDF. That toggle is the quickest way to reduce the size while keeping the design readable. If your document has lots of photos or textures, compression will make a noticeable difference. Text and simple graphics usually hold up very well, so this is a safe setting for most digital sharing. For MP4 video, set the quality to 720p or drop to 480p if you need the smallest file and you're posting somewhere that doesn't require high resolution. 720p is a great middle ground for social media and web viewing, preserving clarity while cutting size. Keep in mind that higher resolutions like 1080p or 4K look sharper but can be many times larger, so only use them when necessary. When exporting a JPG, reduce both the size and the quality. Use the size slider to lower the pixel dimensions to what you actually need, and then bring the quality slider down until the preview still looks clean. Because JPG is a compressed format, even a modest reduction in quality usually shrinks the file a lot without obvious loss for web use. For PNG, reduce the size just like with JPG and turn on Compress File. PNGs are great for crisp graphics and transparency, but they can be heavy. Compression helps cut the weight, and most designs remain visually sharp, especially for icons, logos, and flat illustrations. As you adjust, watch the estimated file size in the download panel, if shown. Make small changes, preview when needed, and aim for the lowest acceptable settings that still look good for your purpose. Once your choices are set for your file type, click Download, and you're done. That's all it takes to confidently reduce file size in Canva.